it's so good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. Okay, we're going to be opening up Macy's Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription, runs $15 a month. It is plus tax, so it comes out to $16.05 for me personally. And usually includes about 5 sample size products. So let's open it up and see what I got. What in the world? It is extremely bright. Wow. Neon pink, yellow zipper, and there are holes in it. I don't know. It feels like something that you would take to a pool with you, you know, just take outside. It's just really bright. Oh, Nelly. But let's open it up. They usually have a card included, but I'll leave this for later as a recap at the end of the video. Philosophy, Renewed Hope Peeling Mousse. That doesn't sound like fun. I don't want to peel my face. Full size of this runs $35. The sample looks like. And you're supposed to use this at least 3 times a week. This is obviously not going to be used 3 times a week. Might get 2 uses out of it. I do have a large face, if you haven't noticed. Ooh, it's like a bluish color. Look at that. It smells okay. It smells like skincare. Alright, so use a generous amount. It's a little bit gritty, but there are like fine grains on it. I look like blue snot all over my face. And it's, oh man. Oh man. What is this? This is supposed to be dead skin? I call BS. Oh, it's getting messy. This is my skin?
This is getting gross.
Alright, I'm gonna show you, but don't be grossed out, okay? And it's getting everywhere. This is like super messy. So I rinsed it off. It did better than expected. Like my face feels a little bit clearer than it was before I used it. This did clear out some of my pores, not all. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's a good product, actually. I don't know why I'm being so skeptical about it. It did its job. Clarins UV Plus Anti-Pollution SPF 50. And it's oil-free, non-tinted. Better not give me like a weird shade of... Well, this is gonna be useful. It is summer right now. Full size of this runs $43. It's just regular SPF. Very clean scent. I really like it. Alright, let's put some on my face. Ooh, it doesn't even look like it has a white cast. Look at the back of my hand. I just rubbed it in a little bit. Oh, what? I love it. If it doesn't give me a white cast, I am happy. Oh, I was happy. It smells like lotion. Yeah, I see the white cast, but that's okay. I'm not mad at it. It's something that I'm used to by now, just having like a white cast anytime you apply sunscreen. All right, so that's another useful product. Yay, Macy's from Too Faced, and it's the Hangover Primer. They have like a sale on the samples or something, because I just got this. And I got a product from Tarte, which I am super excited about. I've been eyeing this for forever. And it's called Light Splashes Camera, right there. And that's what the wand looks like. Super long, very fine bristles. Yeah, and that is what it is looking like. I love the consistency, the formula, it just like glides on. And because of the fine bristles, it like gets practically every eyelash. And the full size of this runs $23. So I am definitely impressed with the Tarte. This is from Grande Lips. It's a lip plumper. And it's clear gloss. I don't need a plumper. A full size of this runs $27. I'm having flashbacks from the last time I tried Grande Lips. If you want to see it, it's right here. No, I'm not going to put this on my lips. So that's what the lip plumper looks like. It's a nice smell, very clean smelling, but I'm not using it. Nope. A sample from Moschino Toy 2. That's what the inside looks like. It's super cute. Oh, yeah, it smells like flowers. There's a scent of magnolia, white currant, jasmine petals. I can't really smell the jasmine. Musk, yes. Granny Smith apples. Can't smell that. Mandarin. Yeah, there's like a little bit of a spice at the end. Peony. I would say that. Sandalwood. Can't smell that. And ambery woods. Yeah, it's good. It wouldn't be my personal scent, but it's a good scent. And full size of this runs, how much? Hit me. Ooh, it hit me. Full size of this is $76. That was everything that was included in the box. If you're interested in subscribing to the Macy's Beauty Box, I'll actually leave a link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!